You are just one video away. Who is going viral right now? What did they do differently? Check their title, check their thumbnail. If you can get their transcript, this is a secret I'm sharing with you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I got my 4,000 watch time hour in less than a month. I understand the challenge you're currently facing right now, and I'm sure you already have 1,000 subscribers and you're yet to accumulate the 4,000 watch time hour. Don't worry, this video is going to sort out all those issues. So let's get this video started. Before we go further, I will tell you, if you have the mindset of buying watch time hour, please erase that mindset. Fine, it gives you what you want, but you're unable to understand the algorithm, go through the process, understand what thumbnail work and all those things, right? Even if you buy the watch time hour, yes, you still have to do other things. That's just a criteria. After that, there are still other things you need to do to keep on earning on YouTube. So let's get this started. Are you ready? The first thing I'm going to tell you is that, one, don't niche down. I understand my perspective is quite different from what every other person might say. They might tell you, niche down, you understand. But I will tell you, don't niche down. Niching down is going to box you up, right? It won't allow your creative mindset, your creative mentality to explore a lot of avenues, because if most likely you have a mentor you are trying to follow or something, or you just feel you want to start your YouTube channel and you have something in mind, you don't know whether that's going to work for you. Everybody's channel are different, right? So I will tell you, don't niche down. Try, because you've not even got your 4,000 watch time hours, so don't even niche down. Explore different avenues. Try this, try that, and see what works. Just step outside that box. It's going to box you when you niche down. Number two, I'm going to say is that don't post contents that are not relevant. Let me explain this. When you post a content that you know that after a month, that content is no longer relevant, what's the essence? Right? Don't forget, you are trying to accumulate 4,000 watch time hours. That means if you've posted a content that in the next 10 years, somebody's going to keep on watching it, that means over time you keep on accumulating watch time hour from that video. But when you post content that are not relevant, that means most likely it's just short timed, right? The lifespan of that video is short. It's going to make you keep on struggling and struggling and struggling to get that watch time hour. Next, I'm going to tell you that the authentic self is your real self. That's be real. Why would people keep on watching you? What will make people watch you and watch another of your video and stay glued to you? That means you must have something that has to keep them engaged. And don't forget, there's as I'm talking to you, there's an energy I'm passing from myself to you. So people are able to sense when that energy is not real, when the energy is just like a kind of packaged content just for making money or just for the sake that you're on YouTube. Try to engage with people. And the easiest way to do that is just to be yourself. Because when you are yourself, content flows naturally. You are able to connect more with people. Like the person you're talking to, like I'm talking to you right now. You're able to connect. You're able to understand people's pain points when you talk, right? So be confident, be you. Be your authentic, true self. Like I said, don't niche down. When you're your authentic self, you know that you have of a lot, how do I put it? There are different areas of your life that you feel when you try to bring it out to the camera and talk to people, people can connect with. That is your authentic self. If you like to enroll for the 3 month French course, please do well to use the link in the description box below. Next, I'm going to leave you with this. Post consistently. Let me repeat again. Post consistently. You are just one video away. Trust me. You are one video away. Some people make this, they get their 4,000 watch time hour maybe from one video. Some people after 3 months, some people a year, some people 2 years, some people till now, several years after, they are yet to get that 4,000 watch time hour. So I'm going to tell you, post consistently. My own breakthrough came from being consistent, and that started when I unboxed myself from a particular niche I was on. Then I allowed the creative power, the creative energy, creative nature in me to be explored. And that was where the breakthrough came. Like everything changed in less than a month. I was smiling. So post consistently. Look at what works for you, right? Look for a time that works for you. Bulk film, right? Maybe 2 videos, 3 videos, 2 times a week, 3 times a week. If you feel you can't post constantly on like video content, engage with your community tab, right? Just post constantly. That way to understand the algorithm is going to understand you, understand your content, understand your target audience in a way, if that makes sense. The next point I'm going to be leaving you with is follow trend. Like, keep your eyes opened. That way, you're able to understand what is working, right? Because let me tell you the truth. Most of the people that went viral, they never planned it. They never planned it. They were just coasting, enjoying themselves. And the thing is that not everybody will go viral, right? But if you have a video that can be able to attract people, don't forget, watch time hour is accumulated when people stay and watch your video, not one, several of your video, right? So understand what works. Look at who is going viral right now. What did they do differently? Check their title, check their thumbnail, twist that thumbnail, twist that title. Maybe you are titling your video in a way. For example, you might say how to make money online. That's broad term. Try to like narrow it down. If you are within the age of maybe 16 to 29, this video is for you. Making money, something, you understand? Streamline things. Get your target audience, right? See, just explore. Look at what is working. Title, thumbnails. Additionally, let me tell you a secret. There's one thing I usually tell myself. People that most likely are maybe having these tons of views, they don't have two heads, right? There's nothing so special about them. We are all here, right? Learning. If you can get their transcripts, this is a secret I'm sharing with you. Get their transcripts. Look at what they said, summarize it, and say it in your own way. And let's see if that will work. Don't forget, don't read your transcript. Don't say or speak like you are reading to a robot. Try to infuse yourself into that transcript. Twist it, enjoy the process. Look at the areas of your life that is related to something like that, right? Then push it out and see if that will work for you. The final note I will tell you is that don't compare your channel with any other person's channel. People's channels are different. Your grace and the next person's grace is different. But one thing I will tell you is that if you can stick to all these things I've told you about, be consistent, unbox yourself from that particular niche. Because when you're in a particular niche, you can't be able to think further, you can't be able to explore, you can't be able to do more. And you as a person, you are not boxed up. You love these things, you love health, you love fitness, you love football. Why don't you let us know what you love? Why don't you talk about that? Trust me, there are people out there that would love that kind of content. Lastly, tell people what they want to hear. Tell people what they want to hear in a way that it interests you. Let it marry itself. What do people want to hear? How does it interest you? Find a balance point or find a midpoint and stand there. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do also like, share, and share this video to people that have been on YouTube that have not gotten 1,000 watch time hour and they're already fed up. Some people have been here 3 years, 4 years, 5, 6. This video is going to help you. This video is going to help you. So please do well to share it to them. Don't come here, post once and you disappear. No, you can't understand the algorithm that way. You can't understand what works that way. You can't understand the trend. And don't forget, different social medias are different. YouTube is different from Instagram. Instagram is different from Facebook. what works on Facebook might not work on YouTube. So you have to understand those things and don't feel like you are using the mentality of that other social media to work here. So if you like to enroll for the 3 month French course, please do well to use the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.